We guide you through how to unpublish a Facebook page and hide it from the public in just a few simple steps. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook account and switch the page you want to hide. Then go to the page dashboard and click on the settings. Inside settings, look for privacy or page visibility depending on your version. Once you find page visibility, click Edit and select Page Unpublish. Facebook may ask for a reason, but you can choose any option and proceed. After that, click Save Changes and confirm your action. Your page will now be hidden from the public and only visible to admins. This is useful if you are updating content, fixing issues, or taking a break from managing your page. If you want to publish it again, later, just go back to the same settings and switch it back to page publish. Always double check before saving to make sure you don't accidentally hide wrong page.